Kajal. So the festive season is going on and I thought it'd be fun to do a video around Indian clothing. So as you guys know, मैं इतना Indian नहीं पहनती. Max I wear some Indo-Western but full on Indian, or actually even Indo-Western on a daily basis I don't do. So for this video I thought it'd be fun to wear Indian for each day of the week no matter what I'm doing. And I've already filmed a few of the vlog parts before filming this intro, so it has been fun. It has been a little bit weird too, but it's been mostly fun. And yeah, so I'm just going to show you one Indo/Indo-Western outfit for each day of the week. Hope you guys enjoy and let's get started. Also, before that, if you guys enjoy, please subscribe, like, comment, bell button, and let's go.
Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me.
Okay, so day one of wearing Indian every day. So today I'm actually going for a panel. This is a super exciting panel. I'm doing it with UNICEF. It's so exciting. And usually for things like these I would wear something western. मैं usually हमेशा western ही पहनती हूँ. And I actually even thought what I want to wear. I wanted to wear a pink blazer with pink pants and I had figured that out. But then I remembered, oh shit, I have to do this video. And I think it'll be fun to figure out an outfit. So I did pick out something. Is actually like a lehenga skirt, like a very simple lehenga white skirt, biba se, and with a matching dupatta. And I was thinking this will look nice for that event. It will look very kind of formal, kind of elegant. Elegant to definitely lagega. And I thought what to pair this with, and with my plain old white spaghetti. So all white with silver jhumkas I think will look good, hopefully. I have no idea if this will work for the event that I'm going for, but I think as an outfit it looks very nice. I hope I don't look like an idiot. I also did dark, like black lined eyes with a little bit of blue and silver jhumkas that I always wear with Indian.
Leave them no reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but never, never, ever, ever seem to be over.
But thank you so much to UNICEF and Gravitas for having me here. I'm truly honored because for me it's a big deal to be surrounded by people who are so influential, and it was really nice to hear all of your stories. Actually, I picked up a lot in terms of what I can add to the discussion. So I mean, that's what my parents, my mom does with me. She never lets me feel like the haters will ever get to me or somebody else is much better than me. They're great and I'm great too. And that's what I would do with somebody that I know who's younger. Hope that helped.
Thank you, Sejal.
Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. Should've known by your rap sheet that you weren't nice, but now I am telling you I'm going to smile. But I would never, ever, ever would have believed.
You and I, we're always on the edge. We fight and make love at the same time. Would you break up just because I told you what I did last night?
Alright, day 2 of the video. So I've been actually up and early. I've been shooting a video for my Instagram. It's a festive themed video, so I was anyway wearing Indian clothes in that. Now I have to actually go all the way to Andheri because I am auditioning for something. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but I'm going anyway because like the organizers really want me to come. So I usually would never wear Indian for something like this because usually auditions they tell you कि अच्छा ऐसा dress code है, क्या पहनना है, इसमें कुछ भी नहीं बोला. So I'm thinking something basic like jeans and t-shirt should do. And on top of that, so I have this like Indian jacket. So I'm thinking this jeans and a spaghetti inside should be a cool Indo-Western look. Okay, so I'm all dressed up. I think this looks really cool, and I paired this cape with my side pattern jeans. You guys have seen this before, and uske saath I'm wearing my sneakers. These sneakers look good with everything. Kaushi, what do you think? ये मैं audition के लिए पहन के जा रही हूँ. Cool. And for jewelry, nothing too crazy. This is like something जो मुझे बहुत randomly मिला in my jewelry box. I think बहुत सालों से था मेरे पास, but I thought it'll look cool with this and not look too much. Okay, I made it to the casting place. Don't know if I'll be allowed to take my camera inside, but wish me luck.
I recall the times you said you're sorry. Still, I'm not sure if you told lies, but I don't care, it's all forgotten now. We're holy when we touch anyhow.
which day it is. But today I've been busy since morning. I had a dance rehearsal and I was shooting some stuff. Right now I'm gonna do my favorite thing ever, which is go sit in a cafe, chill out, have a coffee and work. So for that I just remember that I'm doing this 7 days a week Indian thing, so I'm gonna pick out an outfit, and I also have to go for dinner after that, which I'm gonna count as another day since it's gonna be another look. So let's get an outfit. So for my outfit I wanted to wear something simple, just a simple salwar kameez. I don't wear that ever, but I think it looks very elegant. So I have this one which is a pink simple salwar with a matching churidar. I don't even wear churidars, but I'm gonna do it for this challenge. And on top of that I'm gonna wear this dupatta. Bahut, it's a lot like what my mom wears. Okay, so I'm ready. I think I'm not very Sushil. I just don't know how to wear this dupatta. I actually got this dupatta in one of my packages, so someone sent it to me. It's a really beautiful dupatta, but bahut lamba hai. And I also just paired it with earrings which have a little bit of red to just match the look.
Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. Oh, that smile makes me tripping out. I wanna dance with you tonight. Yeah.
Alright guys, so I am back now and I need to get dressed for dinner. मेरे पास exactly 10 minutes हैं to do this, so I'm not gonna do much. I'm just gonna get rid of this dupatta, and this set actually came with a shrug on top, so I'm gonna wear that and change the accessories. There is a really nice jewelry brand that I found recently. It's called Loon, so I'm gonna wear their hoops. And for my shoes, instead of the flats, I'm going to wear these nude heels because nude matches with this color really well, and it's very elegant, and this was very quick. I love the change of heels. Okay, I'm gonna go now. See you tomorrow.
Stare into the sun, moments holding on, and we hold our breath. Was enough to burn, but I never learn. Try to make it last. Could it be, could it be? I left my past deep where I couldn't find it.
Alright, so this is another day. I have dance rehearsal for my performance on Social Nation tomorrow. Social Nation is a festival for creators. It's like YouTube Fan Fest with lots of creators performing on stage, doing meet and greets, etc. So your girl is doing a full-on Bollywood dance performance, like a 6-minute long performance. So anyway, since I have to wear Indian, this is going to be really weird because usually rehearsals or dance classes ke liye you wear, I wear something like cool, like a jacket or like a crop top or with tights. So I did figure out something. So this is a kurta that I found. It's from Colaba Causeway, and I think it will look decent with these tights that I wear tomorrow under it, because it kind of looks like a tank top with these big armholes. So I think it'll look cool if I wear a sports bra inside and pair it with some small jhumkis. Or I don't know, everyone's gonna think कि मैं कुर्ता क्यों पहन के आ गई हूँ, but we'll see. Hey, ooh la la la, click.
I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are. Stare into the sun, moments holding on, and we hold our breath.
Hey guys, it is another day. Now technically during this time of year, अगर मैं दिल्ली में होती तो इतनी सारी दिवाली parties होती है, ताश parties होती है, etc. But your girl didn't get invited to even a single one in Bombay. So well, I am all dressed up at home because YouTuber life, I am shooting some festive content. So but if I was in Delhi and if I had gotten invited to a party, I would totally wear this outfit. It's a beautiful outfit that I would have loved to wear. It's a really cool combo. Today's Diwali, it's just me inside my house with my camera shooting a video, all dressed up. But मैं इतनी भी बड़ी loser नहीं हूँ, ठीक है? Like I am celebrating Diwali with my family, so I'm probably gonna wear this there. Okay, like don't judge.
Close enough to burn, but I'd never learn. Try to make it last. Could it be different? Could we be different? She's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey.
Alright, made it to the last day of the week. Today I have quite a few things, but the first one is that मैं YouTube के panel discussion के लिए जा रही हूँ. It's not for creators really. I think they're bringing in some people from the UK. उनके जो UK offices के लिए, and they've called some creators to talk about कि India में digital space कैसा है, how internet in India has evolved for the UK people to see that we're not just like an upcoming market, because India has grown immensely. So I'm on a panel for that, and for today's outfit I actually wanted to wear something cool, funky, Indo-Western and like a little quirky. So here's what I came up with. So I started off with this green shrug that I had, and I thought I need to style this in a different and cool way. This is actually an old shrug. It's a year old. मेरे पास सबसे पड़ा हुआ है in my cupboard. मैं लाई थी Delhi से thinking I'll wear this more often, but guess what? I still haven't worn it. So with this, the first thought was इसके साथ spaghetti with palazzos पहनो, but that's boring. So I thought I'd style it with a denim skirt and then put a white shirt inside and sneakers. Okay, so in the lookbook footage of this outfit, I actually shot it before I'm shooting the vlog part because I decided my looks. You will see that I'm wearing a necklace on my collar. Like, I think it looks really cool and quirky, that Purana fashion blogger kind of style. But when I actually put on the outfit today, I don't think I want to wear that. I think I'm done with that style. And also I'm wearing plain white sneakers. But I recently got these really cool sneakers from Shein.com. They're like the Balenciaga wale sneakers. And I think they go with the outfit much better, since the color of this pink matches with the color of this green really well. They're both light pastel colors, so this goes much better. Guys, so I made it to where the event is. It's in a place called Soho House, which is in Juhu. It's like the most happening place in Delhi right now. Sare events here करते हैं. It's actually really beautiful, and it's a club where you can get a membership. Look at this staircase. So hi everybody. Firstly, thank you so much for having me here. I'm just exploring each area of my personality and my interests, and I think that's the most empowering part of my journey, because I don't believe in putting myself in a box.
She's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. Oh, that smile makes me tripping out. I wanna dance with you tonight. Yeah, you close.
Alright guys, that was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Also, don't go yet. So on my Instagram, I had asked you guys to comment your story or anything else on my mental health video and promise that I would read it out in my next video. So this comment is from Satya, and she says, if you haven't checked out that video, definitely do. I'll leave the link below. She says, this was beautiful. 2 things I want to do that I'm so afraid of being judged for are acting and singing. I feel like being a YouTuber lets you experiment with those. So I do want to start a channel, but there's a massive fear that I don't have knowledge or what it takes to do it. So hey Satya, thanks for writing in the comment, and thanks for sharing your personal insecurity on the comment section. Well, I don't think you should be scared. Like, even when I was starting off my channel, I didn't know how to edit. I didn't know how to wear clothes. I do know how to wear clothes, but not to put together good looks or just record anything, shoot anything, nothing. But I learned it all on the job. So if a random person like me can do it, I'm pretty sure you can pick it up too. And you already know how to act and sing, so that's great. Don't be scared. Don't care about people on the internet or otherwise. If you like what you do, please do it. And thank you. And also leave a comment below again. I will definitely read it down in my next video. And subscribe, like, bell button, and I'll see you soon.
Lucky,
Bye.
lucky me. Lucky, lucky.